Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? What's going on this time? The Shiba Inu price will pumps up. Congratulations again, my friend. I can't expect this from Shiba Inu. I think, my friends, my expectation is very bad from Shiba Inu coin. I'm sorry, but definitely after a huge fails, they will take again jump now. If we check out, my friend, in last 3 days and last 7 days, sorry, my friend, definitely they were very badly fails down. As you can see here, my friend, that's true, my friend. So they were fails down in previous days, but in this time they will take a very huge jump. So I can't expect. You can see this is really huge fail, my friend, not a small fail. Absolutely, this is very huge fail now. So also, my friend, as you can see, after a huge jump, they were fails down, and this time also after a huge fails they will take a jump. So that's true, my friends. To after a fails, every coin will pumps up, and after a pumps, every coin will fails down. So definitely, my friend, this is a really good time, my friend, for Shiba Inu coin holder to they will move upward 13.41% in last 3 days, my friends. They will get a profit. So I can't expect this from Shiba Inu. But as you can see, my friend, this time from October 17, October 18, they were normally moving. But after that, you can see here they will take a very huge jump, and they will completely go to the moon. So therefore, I will advise my viewers, subscribers to kindly hold down. I hope, because there is a lot of chances to Shiba Inu coin price for more increasing, but also chances so after this jump there were more fails down. So hope you understand, my all viewers, my subscriber. Kindly do this what I tell you. I hope, my friends, you will get a very huge profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.